Hello everyone, good day. For today's video, I am going to discuss about contemporary literature or Philippine contemporary literature. So first of all, what is contemporary literature? Kung sa Bisaya pa, kapanahunan nga literatura. So, contemporary literature is defined as literature written after World War II through the current day. Work of contemporary literature reflect a society's social and or political viewpoints, shown through realistic characters, connections to current events and socio-economic messages. So, ang gipasabot ani nga contemporary literature gisulat kini atong human sa gira or World War II hangtod sa karon nga panahon. Ang literature sa una naghisgot og sosyal og politikal nga panglantaw sa usa ka syudad. So sa una manggod ang literature mo kini gipasabot nga naglantaw sa social og politikal nga panglantaw sa usa ka syudad. So sa unsa nga paagi? Pinaagi sa realistiko nga mga karakter. So nga koneksyon nga karon nga hitabo og mga mensahe nga sosyo-ekonomiko. So how important is contemporary literature? So contemporary literature also has a very important role because it reflects a society's social as well as political points of views, because it helps them to illuminate the strength or weakness of society. Literature, or to be more specific, contemporary literature helps the reader to develop their rational thinking. So ang makatabang po kini sa kuan. So makatabang po kini to eliminate the strength or weaknesses of society. So ang contemporary literature sa laktod nga pagkaistorya makatabang sa mga reader nga sa mga mambabasa nga makadevelop sa ilang rational thinking. So these are the example of contemporary literature in the Philippines. Some notable works of the period include the following. So ang una, Heart of the Islands, itong 1947, a collection of poems by Manuel Veray. So si Manuel Veray ang kasulat ani. Philippine Cross Section 1950, a collection of prose and poetry by Maximo and Florentino. So silang duha mo iga sulat ani. Ang ikatulom o kini Prose and Poems 1952 by Nick Joaquin. Dayon Philippine Writing 1953 by T.D. Agcauli. The characteristic of contemporary literature is typical characteristics of the contemporary period include reality-based story with strong characters and believable story. Setting usually keep to the current or modern era. So, futuristic and science fiction novels are rarely included in this category. So, sa una, gabis yun siya sa reality. So, ang mga kuan, strong characters or mga true story jod. So, the difference between modern and contemporary literature. The key difference between modern and contemporary literature is their time period. Modern literature refers to the literature dating from late 19th century to 1960s, while the contemporary literature refers to the literature dating from the Second World War to the present. Why it is important to learn about contemporary Filipino literature? The importance of Philippine literature, it is allow people to learn about where they come from and how past events work to shape the different cultures. The importance of Filipino literature is we can learn many things about the person's life, how they struggle, stories and message behind every poem that we read.